Hello kids, today I will tell you about air pressure with the help of a science experiment. For that we need some tissue paper, a bottle and a glass of water. So let's start. First we will fill this bottle with water. This is a normal plain water. Now we will take one tissue paper and put it on the top of the bottle and cover the mouth. Gently we will remove the extra tissue paper. Now we will hold it like this way and invert it. No water is falling. Why does it happen? How does it happen? We all know air is everywhere. Air around us pushes in all the directions. So the outside air is pushing the tissue paper up and it is able to hold the water. The bottle from inside is filled with water. So there is very less air, which is pushing the water to go outside, but the outside pressure is more, so water is not able to come out. Understood, children? Bye.